There's a new movie in Skillsville. Tap the movie screen to play the movie. The movie doesn't have any sound effects. A sound effect is a special sound you hear in a movie or a TV show. You can be a sound effects artist and decide what sounds to put in the movie. Sound Effect Artist Challenge! Add sound effects to the movie. We only have one sound right now. Tap on the rooster. We added the rooster sound. Now the dinosaur sounds like the rooster. We can make the sound different with a filter. Test one out. This makes sounds faster. Let's try another one. This one makes your sound go back to normal. This is how it sounds without any filters. Let's try adding a new sound. Go outside to find one. Sound effects artists can make new sounds by recording the world around them. Let's record that slurping straw. Tap to record its sound.
I fucking smelling Jordan's ass.
We recorded a new sound. I wonder how it'll sound in the movie. Let's go test it out. Try putting your new sound in the scene. Tap the straw sound. Woohoo! I like that sound too. Pick the sound and filter you like best. When you're ready, tap this button to show your movie in the movie theater. What's that in the trees? A dinosaur?
A dinosaur.
Challenge complete. You earned the Sound Effects Artist Badge.
And that's it.
Let's choose.
And that's it.
No, 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 no.